Today we are going to the Digestive Museum. You don't have to take notes because it's interactive. Just make sure you are paying attention and learning something. Alright, let's go eat lunch.
Well, since you're asking, it's a rather long process, but I'll take you on my journey. We begin in the oral cavity being bit into by the incisors. Then the molars break us up even more. Saliva, amylase, also breaks us down. At this point, the food is called bolus. Now crawling through the pharynx, also called the throat. The pharynx is a common passageway for food and air. Also in this region is the trachea.
Oh, I know about the trachea. The trachea is another tooth like the esophagus. And there's an epiglottis, which is like a flap that blocks it, so the food goes down the esophagus and not the trachea.
As we continue our journey down the esophagus, we will begin peristalsis.
What's peristalsis?
Peristalsis is muscle contractions that help to push your food through the esophagus or alimentary canal. Next we land in the stomach. Well, almost. First we must pass through the sphincter, which controls food entering and leaving the stomach.
How long does the food stay in the stomach?
Food stays in the stomach between 3 to 4 hours, undergoing mechanical and chemical digestion. For mechanical digestion, the stomach churns and excretes hydrochloric acid, which helps to loosen the fibers. For chemical digestion, we are doused with gastric juices. Instead of being a bolus, we are now called chyme.
Do you ever get out?
Of course, we exit through another sphincter, but on this time we are now on the other side of the stomach. After we exit the stomach, we move through the small intestine. During this, the nutrients in the chyme are absorbed and mostly broken down. Peristalsis also slows. Then we are off to the large intestine, also known as the colon.
Is the large intestine bigger than the small intestine?
Actually, the small intestine is longer than the large intestine, but the large intestine is wider. In the large intestine, the water left in me is absorbed. E. coli lives here, which helps to absorb water. After all the water is absorbed, we are considered feces. As feces, we are stored in the rectum until the body is ready to eliminate waste. We then travel out of the body through the anus. We have completed our journey through digestion.
Okay class, now it's time for a review after going to the Digestive Museum to see what you have learned. First, where does the bolus travel first?
The bolus starts in the pharynx and moves down through the esophagus.
Very good. What is at the end of the stomach called?
It's called a sphincter and it controls the food entering and leaving the stomach.
Good. What is the function of the E. coli?
It helps with water absorption and making vitamin K.
Great job, class. I'm really proud of all that you learned at the museum.
For chemical digestion, we are doused in gastric juices. Instead of being a bolus, we have, whoa. The small intestine is longer than the large intestine, but the large intestine is wider. As feces, we are stored in the rectum until the body potty is ready to eliminate waste.
It sounds like the potty is ready.